Do you have 5 minutes? Because in next 5 minutes, I will share the Ayurvedic secrets and you will never have to buy a cough syrup again. Dry cough or wet, these simple remedies will cure it. Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra and welcome to eBlosis. Cough, whether dry or wet, can be a persistent discomfort, but don't worry. In today's video, we will be exploring 6 Ayurvedic remedies that will clear up your chest and give you comfort. Let's dive in. Cough can originate from upper respiratory tract or even deeper, that is lower respiratory tract in the lungs, with various triggers like allergies, seasonal changes, asthma, infection, chronic bronchitis, and many other medical conditions. But in Ayurveda, cough is termed kasa, that is again categorized into 2 main categories based upon the dosha imbalances. It could be a dry cough, which is a vataj kasa. It is caused by the imbalance of vata dosha and linked to allergies. Like if you have allergies, if you have a seasonal or asthmatic cough and general dry cough, it means you come under the category of vata kas. Another is a wet cough. That is the cough with phlegm. So this comes under kaphaj kasa. So it is a resulting from imbalance of kapha dosha associated with mucus buildup and heaviness. Remedies for dry cough. So when I talk about dry cough, I mean vataj kas. So all you need to see is to assess, do you have any phlegm? If you don't have any phlegm, or your cough is seasonal, or you have asthmatic cough, so it means this remedy is gonna work for you. This remedy is gonna work for vataj kas. So dry cough require remedies that are nourishing, grounding, and unctuous so as to balance vata dosha. So the first such remedy, which is very effective and based upon clinical logic of Ayurveda, is milk with garlic and turmeric. So what are the ingredients? You need 2 chopped garlic cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of long pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of licorice, and 100 ml of milk. How to prepare it? Boil the ingredient in the milk and drink. For enhanced result, add 1 teaspoon of ghee, because clarified Indian butter ghee is oily, unctuous in nature. It pacifies vata dosha, it pacifies the dryness and irritation in your upper respiratory tract, in your lower respiratory tract, and helps in taking care of seasonal allergic asthmatic cough. So if we see the benefits, the garlic, turmeric, and clove form a powerful trio to combat vata dominant dry cough. Garlic acts as a natural expectorant, clearing blockages and easing respiratory discomfort. Turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory properties, soothe the throat and boost immunity, while cloves' warming nature alleviates irritation, vata dosha, and support lung health. Together, along with milk, they nourish and balance vata, providing quick and effective relief from dry, persistent cough. Next remedy is talisadi powder remedy. So what are the ingredients in this? Take 1/2 teaspoon of talisadi powder. What is a talisadi powder? This is the one polyherbal combination which is mentioned in Ayurvedic classics. So take 1/2 teaspoon of talisadi powder, take 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of licorice powder, and 100 ml boiled water, 2 teaspoon of honey. Preparation. Mix all and drink 2 to 3 times a day. If we talk about its benefits, talisadi powder, as I told, a combination of 8 potent ingredients like talis, bamboo, long pepper, and many others, along with the turmeric and licorice, serves as a highly effective remedy for vata dominant dry cough. This powerful blend works to calm dryness caused by imbalanced vata. It clears respiratory pathway and provide nourishment to the lungs, making it an ideal choice for soothing persistent dry cough while enhancing your respiratory health. Next is talisadi and haridra khand blend. So this is also my personal benefit because I use it a lot in my clinical practice. So what are the ingredients? These are the classical ingredients that is mentioned in Ayurveda, and it's a blend of 2 polyherb combination. First is you take 1/2 teaspoon of talisadi powder. Along with that, you take 1/2 teaspoon of haridra khand. Haridra is term used for turmeric, and honey. So how is the preparation? Take the mixture 2 to 3 times daily. You can easily get these combination in the market. The benefits are it reduces inflammation and strengthens lung health. Now we're going to talk about remedies for wet cough. So all the cough, whether it's infective, when you have a phlegm coming up, your chest is filled with cough, phlegm. So we categorize this as a cough cause. So wet cough required remedies that are dry, light, heating and scraping to balance kapha dosha. So the first in this is the pipali and hritaki decoction, which is very effective. If we talk about ingredients, you take 1/4 teaspoon of a pipali, the piper longum. You take a 1 teaspoon of a grated ginger. You take 1/4 teaspoon of a black pepper. You take a 1/2 teaspoon of hritaki, and you take 100 ml of water and 2 teaspoon of honey. Preparation: boil all the ingredient in the water. Add honey after putting out the flame and drink 2 to 3 times a day. We talk about benefits. This clears mucus, soothes the throat and enhance respiratory functions. Next remedy is betel and tulsi juice remedy. Ingredients, if we talk about, take 1 teaspoon of betel leaf juice, 1 teaspoon of a tulsi leaf juice and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and ginger juice. You can add 1 teaspoon of honey also. What is the preparation? Mix all ingredient and consume. The benefits: the remedy is excellent for clearing phlegm, mucus, reducing congestion, inflammation, and it eases your breathing. Next is ginger clove cinnamon tea. Ingredients are 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 pinch of clove powder, 1 pinch of cinnamon powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of ajwain seed, that is carom seeds, 100 ml of water, and 1 teaspoon of honey. So what you need to do is boil the ingredients in the water, strain, add honey and drink. Benefits: this tea warms the chest, clear congestion and relieves kapha buildup and persistent cough. These Ayurvedic recipes not only provide instant relief but also help restore balance to your doshas. So paving the way for long-term wellness. So choose your remedy based on your cough type and feel the difference. Please let me know in the comment section which issue you would like me to cover next. I will surely try to provide a solution. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Lots of love to all the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.